Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a very potent hair spray for our hair. You know that I always bring good recipe that will grow your hair long, that will make your hair healthy. We are not just growing our hair, we are actually making our hair healthy. So this recipe is actually packed with two wonderful ingredients, and as you can see, I have okra and I have garden egg. In the part of the world I am, okra is actually used for soup, and the garden egg is actually a fruit. So I'm going to be explaining what are the benefits for each ingredient and why are we combining both for our hair. So the first thing we are going to do is actually like chopping it into smaller pieces so that we can blend it. You don't have to blend it actually, but I blended mine. You're going to see at the end of the video, and if you think that your blender can just blend it without you chopping it into pieces, my dear, you are good to go. That is just it. So okra is actually rich with a lot of minerals, vitamin and antioxidants. Now if you've taken okra as a soup, you know that it is gelatinous in nature, like it is slippery. Do you get? And one thing I love about okra, beyond you using it for hair growth, it is actually very good to moisturize your hair. It is actually very good to detangle your hair very easily because of its nature. Shey you get? Okra as well, it helps to reduce breakage. Your hair is dry, your hair is brittle, my dear. You've not added okra to your hair. That is the reason why. So okra actually, it helps to like reduce hair breakage. Your hair is frizz, your hair is brittle, my dear. Just do what's it called, okra treatment for your hair. Now another wonderful thing is the garden egg. Yes, garden egg is actually very good for your health. Like it is very good for your health. It is even advisable for you to like eat it occasionally. But now we are adding it to our hair, and let me tell you beautiful thing about this. It has water in it, and this water helps in our scalp health, in our what's it called, hair health. Now you're not just only taking care of your hair, you are also taking care of your scalp. And if you know that if your scalp is healthy, my dear, your hair as well will be healthy. So this as well is actually rich in minerals, is rich in antioxidants, it is rich in what's it called, vitamin, and also it is actually very good for your hair follicle. You see this garden egg, it helps to like to protect your hair follicle from damaging. If your hair follicle is damaged, my dear, that is all. Like that is all. So it helps to like protect your hair follicle from free radical that can damage your hair. So, and that is just it. So another wonderful thing is that it can be used to moisturize your hair. If something is moisturizing your hair, that means it does not have the tendency to break your hair. Do you get the logic? So that is one thing I love about this. Now after chopping this thing, the next thing is actually to blend. You don't have to blend it smooth. Do you get the logic? You don't have to blend it smooth. And please, I washed it. I didn't wash it before I like chop it into smaller pieces. I washed it, so please and please wash it very well. Especially that garden egg, it's like it absorbed a lot of dirt, so please take your time to wash it very well, so that you don't add dirt to your hair. So just add it to your blender. If your blender can blend this thing like this, my dear, you don't have to chop it. But if you don't have a blender, because of the garden egg, that is why we are like blending it. Do you get? But if it's because of the garden egg actually, because the okra we can actually cook it like this and we are going to get the result. But because of the garden egg, we need the water. Yes, You see, you can be looking at the garden hair like that. It has water in it, and we need that water for our hair, for our hair follicle, for our scalp. Do you get the logic? So add water because we are still going to actually use water to cook it. So we're still gonna cook it. I still added water to it save at some point because it was too thick. So after blending, this is what I got. Like I said, I didn't like blend it smooth. I didn't need the smoothness. I just need rough blending, and that is just it. So I added water to heat. I added water to heat and I cooked, just cook for like 5 minutes and just take it out of the fire. Just pour it inside your pot. You just, if you've cooked okra soup before, this will not be like this will not be an issue. So the next process, so after cooking, this is the result. Yes, it's just like you're cooking okra without what's it called, without soup. So the next is to sieve. Now, please, we are using this as a spray. Let me clarify. We are using this as a spray, not as a pre-post treatment. If you use something as a pre-post treatment, that means after like 20 to 25 minutes, we are going to wash it out. But this, we are not washing it out. So we don't need this in the sieve clothes. If we are doing it as a people chip dress, you can add all of this. You don't even have to sieve. You just add it to your hair, leave it in your hair for, cover with a polythene bag, leave it in your hair for maybe like 1 hour, then sieve. So I don't need all of those. So I didn't squeeze the sieve cloth. Do you get the logic? So there's a bit of residue there, but I think I could not even able to like remove it at the end. So we only need that water gel for our hair. So do you get the logic? So if for like that residue I got now, I can use it as a pre treatment for my hair. But you see the filtrate that I'm putting inside my, what's it called, inside my spraying bottle. I can use that every day for my hair without any issue. So do you get the logic, or I should come again? No, I will not come again. You have to you have to rewind and hear. Do you get? So that is just it. So add it to your, what's it called, to your spraying bottle, and just use it. You don't have to use it every day. You can use it every 2 days, every 3 days, depending on your hair type, and you are good to go. So that is just it. So that is just it. You don't have to add too much. Little is actually enough to go a long way, and you're going to see the result in your hair. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying by to the end. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is me begging and saying, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye for now.